Hello guys, today we're gonna do an unboxing with my kit. This is the...
Oh hey.
What is it?
So it's a Steam Deck.
Steam Deck. You have your YouTube account, you wanna tell everyone about your YouTube account?
Well, I'm good.
Okay, you good? Okay, we'll call a shout out later. I'll tag you later. Go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead and open it.
Wow.
Wow, pretty nice, huh?
Yeah.
Attention. What is this? I'll tell you to plug it in first. Power it on. And then use it. That's a cool little sticker. Alright, let's see what's in here. Go ahead and open that first.
And are these goodies?
Yeah, open it up.
Yeah.
Nothing. Yep, that's fine. Oh, not like that. I'll do it for you. I'm struggling too. Hold on a second.
Probably need to pry it.
There you go. Go ahead and open that. Look at the valve sticker now. What is in here?
Ooh, charge. It's a charger.
Is it a charger? How many watt is this charger? Let me take a look. I'm blind. This is a 20-watt charger?
And there's the manual.
Output. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's about that
Check
much.
this out.
What else? What else in here? User menu?
Yeah.
User menu, okay. That's cool.
And finally, the Steam Deck.
Alright, take that out. Go ahead. Open that up.
No.
Yeah, you pull that right out. Keep going. It come with a case, isn't that nice?
Yeah. It's nice. Oh no.
Alright, you
Nice.
slide this out here. Hold on a second. There you go. Go ahead and unzip it.
Okay.
Wait. They're tied together?
Okay.
Okay, this is so legit. I don't have anything to break this. Okay, move away for a second. Yeah, I got it.
Let's go. So finally, for the moment's truth, we zip it and unveil the Steam Deck.
Yeah, move the camera a little bit, mommy. Unreal. Wow, it's big.
Wow,
it's like
it's
bigger than the Wii
big.
U. Yeah, it's way bigger than Wii U.
Way bigger.
Yeah.
This is much bigger than my expectations.
Okay, open it up. Can
Okay,
you turn it on? Let me see. Where's the power button? Oh, right here. Turn it on. Press it on. All right, just wait. Give it a second. It might boot on. Or maybe it has no battery. Maybe we need to charge it in first. It might have no battery. Might have to charge it.
Nice.
All right, we gotta go charge it first. Then we'll
yeah.
show up some game later.